Picture this, soaring down North America's tallest water slide, but with insider hacks Royal Caribbean keeps quiet about. Today, we're spilling beans on the unadvertised thrills that'll make your day epic.
Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you're planning a Royal Caribbean cruise with a stop at Perfect Day at Coco Cay, the Thrill Waterpark is a must-hit for adrenaline junkies. But beyond the glossy brochures, there are tons of secrets and insider tips that aren't heavily advertised, maybe to keep the magic exclusive or manage crowds. Today, we're counting down the top 20 unadvertised thrills and secrets. For each one, I'll explain what it is and why Royal Caribbean might not shout it from the rooftops. Let's start the countdown.
Number 20. Towel stations inside the park. This is all about the convenient towel exchange spots right within Thrill Waterpark, where you can grab or swap beach towels without trekking back to the ship. It's a small but huge convenience for staying dry and comfy all day. Why not advertised? Probably because they want to emphasize the seamless island experience overall, without spotlighting logistics that could seem mundane in promo materials.
Number 19. Snack Shack with free treats. Tucked near the wave pool, this spot serves up burgers, chicken sandwiches, fries, brownies, and funnel cakes. No extra charge if you have a drink package or just want a quick bite. It's a hidden fuel stop for non-stop fun. Why not advertised? Royal focuses on the main dining and bars on the island, keeping this as a pleasant surprise to encourage exploration rather than overcrowding one area.
Number 18. Height and weight restrictions with on-site scales. Most slides require at least 48 inches for the big ones, like Daredevil's Peak, down to 40-42 inches for milder rides, with a max weight around 300 pounds. Scales are there to check. It's key for safe thrills tailored to everyone. Why not advertised? Safety details are in fine print to avoid deterring families. They promote the fun, assuming guests check rules beforehand.
Number 17. Cameras and phones allowed on slides. You can bring GoPros or waterproof-cased phones to capture POV footage while sliding. Many do it for epic memories. It's a thrill booster for content creators. Why not advertised? Official rules limit electronics for safety, but in practice, it's tolerated. They don't promote it to minimize risks and lost items. Number 16. Plenty of relaxation spots. Beyond the action, there are free lounge chairs and rentable cabanas scattered by the wave pool and slides, perfect for chilling between rides. It's the balanced side of the thrill. Why not advertised? Promos hype the adrenaline. Highlighting downtime might dilute the thrill branding, but it's essential for real-world enjoyment. Number 15. Wear a shirt to avoid slide irritation. Sliding multiple times can rub your back on tube seams, so throwing on a rash guard or t-shirt prevents that. It's a pro tip for comfort during marathon sessions. Why not advertised? It's practical advice from experience, not in ads because they focus on the excitement, not minor discomforts that vary by person. Number 14. The park never feels overcrowded. Even with a full ship, there's space for everyone. Loungers are easy to find, and lines are short. It's a secret to stress-free fun. Why not advertised? Capacity is managed, but boasting about it could attract more crowds. They let word of mouth build the vibe. Number 13. Short wait times for rides. Lines max out at 5 to 15 minutes, even on busy days with thousands of passengers. You can hit multiple slides quickly for maximum thrills. Why not advertised? It's variable based on ship size. Advertising no waits sets unrealistic expectations, so they emphasize variety instead. Number 12. Stunning views from Daredevil's Tower. Climb the 120-130-foot tower for panoramic sights of the island, ship, and turquoise Bahamas waters. Snap photos before sliding. It's a bonus thrill beyond the drop. Why not advertised? The focus is on the slides themselves. Views are an unpromoted perk to surprise visitors and keep the ascent feeling adventurous. Number 11. No shoes allowed on slides. You must go barefoot or socked on all slides. No water shoes or sandals permitted, though you can store them in cubbies. It ensures smooth, safe rides. Why not advertised? It's a rule in the fine print to avoid confusion. Ads show the fun without dwelling on restrictions that could seem limiting. Number 10. Unlimited re-entry. Scan your SeaPass to come and go as you please. No extra fees. Pop out for lunch on the island and return for more slides. It's flexibility at its best. Why not advertised? They promote the all-day pass, but re-entry is assumed. Highlighting it might encourage too much back and forth, affecting flow. Number 9. Showers and restrooms inside. Dedicated facilities mean you don't leave the park for basics. Quick rinses keep you fresh for ongoing thrills. It's convenient hygiene on the go. Why not advertised? Basic amenities aren't sexy for marketing. They let the attractions shine, assuming guests discover them naturally.
Number 8. 8 diverse water slides. From the 135-foot Daredevil's Peak to family rafts on Slingshot and mat racers on Splash Speedway, there's variety for all levels. Each offers unique drops and twists. Why not advertised? While listed, the full thrill spectrum isn't hyped individually. They bundle it as Ultimate Waterpark to build anticipation.
Number 7. 4 distinct areas in the park. Daredevil's Tower for extremes, Splash Summit for groups, Adventure Pool with obstacles, and the Wave Pool for waves, zoned for different vibes. It's structured thrills. Why not advertised? Overviews mention it, but details are underplayed to let discovery enhance the experience, avoiding spoiler overload. Number 6. Free lockers for storage. Electronic code lockers fit backpacks, shoes, towels, and more. Secure your stuff while you splash. No need to worry about belongings. Why not advertised? It's a perk not in big promos, perhaps to emphasize carefree fun without highlighting potential theft concerns.
Number 5. Parents don't have to ride with kids. Once in, adults can lounge while kids, meeting height wrecks, slide solo. It's freedom for family dynamics. Why not advertised? Family-focused ads show togetherness. This independence tip is more for seasoned cruisers via word of mouth.
Number 4. Under 14 accompaniment rule. Kids under 14 need a 14-plus companion to enter and stay, ensuring supervision. It's a safety thrill enabler. Why not advertised? Buried in rules to not scare off families, they promote inclusivity, assuming responsible planning.
Number 3. Keep your SeaPass card handy. It's your all-access key, no wristbands needed. Scan for entry, making it seamless. Why not advertised? Tech details are secondary. Ads focus on the adventure, not the entry mechanics.
Number 2. Free alternatives on the island. If the water park fee is too much, enjoy Splashaway Bay or the Galleon for kids. No cost. It's a secret budget thrill. Why not advertised? They push paid upgrades, but free options are there to ensure everyone has fun without feeling pressured.
Number 1. Entry fee, but worth the splurge. Thrill Waterpark requires a paid pass, unlike the free island, but unlocks exclusive slides and pools. It's the core unadvertised value. Pay for premium thrills. Why not advertised? Pricing is dynamic and in bucking. Heavy ads might deter, so they tease the highlights to hook you in.
There you have it, folks. The top 20 secrets and unadvertised thrills of Royal Caribbean's Thrill Waterpark at Coco Cay that can take your cruise to the next level. From hidden perks like free lockers to insider rules like no shoes on slides, these tips ensure you maximize the fun without the surprises. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more cruise hacks, and drop a comment below. What's your favorite water park thrill? Thanks for watching. See you on the next adventure.